Hi, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network, coming to you from NAM Focus. With me, I got Tracey Cox, who's the Director of Marketing and Business
Channel strategy.
Basically, she makes sure that the mortgage brokers out there know the awesome things that QMLS is doing.
That's right.
Tracey, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So listen, I want to go right into this. From a marketing standpoint, there's really not many people that will know more about marketing than you guys know about client engagement. What do you think is like the low-hanging fruit that mortgage brokers are not taking advantage of right now in terms of marketing?
Yeah, I would say to utilize cheap resources that are out there, right? So a lot of mortgage brokers try to do things on their own and they get frustrated because they're not sure which step to take first. I would say there's a ton of local agencies out there and creative resources online that will allow brokers to create things like social tiles and videos for as little as $5. Fiverr's a classic example. There's tons of resources. You can also hire a small agency. I know some of the things that we offer to our partners. We've packaged different deals with third parties. You can offer somebody social media management and paid search services and SEO and all that type of stuff for as little as just a couple $100 a month, and they can just help those brokers, have that online presence for a very small dollar amount.
Yeah, and I think there's a lot of lenders that offer some great resources, from within their portals. You guys do a great job of that. It's like, what are some of the tools that you guys have in terms of free marketing resources, which it's not cheap. I know actually the stuff that you guys actually, it's expensive for them to do, for you guys to develop, but free to the brokers. So talk about some of the resources you guys do.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, one of the great things about Quicken Loans is we have the buying power, so we're able to, purchase things in significant bulk, and we can pass those discounts on to our partners and offer most of the services for free. So we have something great called Marketing Hub. It's in our portal. It has a whole library of resources for our brokers to access. It's got everything from direct mail, brochures, flyers, different email campaigns, social tiles, and our partners can go in there. They can buy a prospect list, right? So they can buy people in their area that have a certain loan type or a certain demographic. They can launch a direct mail campaign right from the portal, so they can click the asset they want to use, upload a list, or buy a list and do all that. They can, click a social tile and, post directly to Facebook or LinkedIn. And there is a ton of other services that we're going to be promoting later on in the year. My team is very busy at work launching some incredible things and thousands of additional assets to make sure that we cover the full gamut for any partner and any asset that they'd want to use.
And you guys, to me, one of the greatest things is you're vetting these vendors, which
that's a big part.
Yeah, it takes a lot of trial and error for an individual mortgage broker to find the right vendor that's going to perform, and you guys are, shortcutting them to that point.
That's 100% true, right? So one of the biggest things is making sure that third party is going to deliver the type of service that we expect at Quicken Loans to our partners, right? So we're demanding, we want to make sure that our partners are well taken care of, and if our partners have a bad experience, it looks bad on us. So we're going to lay the groundwork to make sure that you're going to offer these services at these discounts, and you're going to treat our partners a certain way to make sure that they can help grow their business.
Awesome, fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by, Tracey.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Andrew.
And I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
This is Mortgage News Network.